Hey everyone, the Motorola Moto Watch Fit, launched on April 24, 2025, alongside the Edge 60 Pro and Razr 60 Ultra, marks the brand's foray into affordable smartwatch territory with a strong focus on fitness and usability. Priced at just £89 in the UK, it's aimed squarely at Android users who want essential smartwatch features without splurging on high-end models. At first glance, the Moto Watch Fit resembles the Apple Watch in form, though a closer look reveals the compromises that keep it within budget. Larger bezels and the lack of a digital crown, for instance. However, Motorola has managed to pack in a vibrant 1.9-inch AMOLED display that impressively hits 1,000 nits of brightness. Protected by Gorilla Glass 3, the screen remains clear and easy to read even in bright sunlight, which is a rarity at this price point. Built exclusively for Android, the Moto Watch Fit pairs effortlessly with smartphones to handle basic functions, like displaying notifications and controlling music playback. Its proprietary real-time operating system keeps things streamlined, though it also limits functionality by ruling out third-party app support, a trade-off that some may find limiting. When it comes to fitness tracking, the watch really holds its own. It features built-in GPS, allowing for accurate tracking of outdoor workouts like runs and bike rides without needing to carry a phone. With an IP68 rating and 5 ATM water resistance, it's suitable for everything from swims to sweaty workouts. It supports over 100 activity types and includes sensors for heart rate, blood oxygen, and motion tracking. Battery life is a major selling point. Motorola claims the Watch Fit can last up to 16 days on a single charge, though this is likely achieved without enabling an always-on display. For those who are tired of charging their wearables every night, this extended battery life will be a significant perk. The watch also uses interchangeable 22mm straps, making it easy to customize the look, something that further contributes to its Apple Watch-inspired design cues. That said, it doesn't come with advanced health tracking features such as body temperature sensors or ECG support, which are now becoming more common in mid to premium tier wearables. Still, for its price, the Moto Watch Fit offers a surprising amount of functionality and design appeal. Its inclusion of GPS already gives it a competitive edge over similarly priced alternatives like the Galaxy Fit 3 and positions it as a solid rival to devices like the Amazfit Bip 6. Social media buzz, particularly on X, has highlighted the watch's bright display and long-lasting battery as standout features. However, there's still no word on when or if it will be released in markets like the US or India. Overall, the Moto Watch Fit stands out as an impressive value for Android users who want a sleek, reliable fitness tracker that does the basics very well. It may not be the most feature-packed wearable, but for the price, it nails the essentials. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.